Most people have tried chicken katsu, but have you tried ahi katsu? I've got a delicious recipe for you today, so stick around. Aloha mai kako, my name is Relle and welcome to my kitchen where I like to share all my favorite island and Hawaiian style recipes. And today we'll be making ahi katsu. Ahi is the Hawaiian word for tuna and generally it's yellowfin tuna. Katsu is a Japanese method of breading and frying that's popular in Japanese cuisine. But today we'll make it Hawaiian style. And if you stick around till the end, I've got a delicious sauce that you can make to eat with your ahi katsu. So hele mai, come along and let's make some ahi katsu. First, you'll need to make the breading. The breading is a 3-part mix. So first you'll flavor the flour with some garlic salt. It sticks to the bowl thanks to Hawaii's humidity. Some pepper, and you'll go ahead and mix that up. Then you're going to pour that onto a plate or on a pan, and to the other plates then you'll add some panko. Panko is Japanese breadcrumbs. You can find it in the Asian aisle at most grocery stores, and an egg. Then you'll go ahead and whisk that up, and that's our breading. Then you'll need some ahi. I like to get my ahi from the farmer's market. There's an uncle that comes to the one that I go to all the time, and he always has the most delicious fresh fish. Ahi is pretty plentiful in Hawaii. You can find them at most grocery stores. A lot of fishermen also sell them off the side of the road after they're done fishing. And you'll take the ahi and you'll dip it in the flour first. You want to make sure you get all sides of the ahi. Don't forget the top like I did. And then it'll go into the egg mix and get all the sides coated like this. And then you'll go into the panko. Again, making sure that all sides are nicely coated with the breading. Then you'll add your cooking oil of choice to a pan set over medium-high heat just to cover the bottom. Then when it's at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, you can put in the fish. Try not to drop the fish like I did here, and you'll fry it for about 3 to 5 minutes on each side until it turns golden brown. These pieces are pretty thick so they can stand up on their own. Now, I know that ahi is generally best cooked medium rare, but my kids like it cooked all the way through. So I cooked it for something that they can eat after. Then you'll flip it and fry it on the bottom, and you'll flip it one last time on the other side and get it all fried up. Then remove the fish from the oil and set on a paper towel to catch the excess oil. Now for that secret sauce I promised you. It's my take on an Unagi Aioli. Now, it's not a true aioli, I know, but it's a quick hack and it uses ingredients that you probably have at home. To a bowl of mayo, you'll go ahead and add unagi sauce. Unagi is an eel sauce. It can be found in the Asian aisle at most grocery stores. And then some finely minced garlic. Then you'll go ahead and mix that up until everything is well combined. And this is one bomb sauce that you can eat with your ahikatsu. Go ahead and plate it up, put the sauce over the top and just drizzle it like this, or you can dip it if you'd like and add some furikake and enjoy. And that's how you make ahi katsu. If you make this recipe or any of my other recipes, please tag me. I love seeing all your creations. If you want to see more island and Hawaiian style recipes, then check out this playlist here. Or if you want to see what YouTube thinks you should watch, then watch this video here. And until next time, ahui ho!
Thank you for watching my mom's video.